Hey guys, welcome back to Peytology. Today we will learn how to waterproof your shoes. So the first thing we need is, of course, the shoes that you would like to protect from all kinds of moisture. This is the product I recommend. It is the Nikwax Wax Cotton Proof Spray and a sponge so that you can cover the product evenly over the shoe surface. So first, start out with a clean, dry pair of shoes. This works best, you guys, when the shoes are brand new. So put the shoes down, preferably on a surface that you can get wet. I chose the driveway because it's easy to see where you've put the product if it's on a darker surface. So just gather your supplies and then start out by putting the shoes a little distance apart and spraying evenly over the surface. So the reason I love this Nikwax product in particular is because you do not need to wet the shoes prior to application. A lot of different products out there require you to put them in a washing machine to soak them overnight, things like that, and this one you can work on a dry, clean shoe surface, which is awesome. You can also do this to camping supplies, to outdoor blankets, anything you want waterproofed, and it works perfectly for clothing because this is meant for cotton application. So these shoes are a cotton-based material. There's a lot of threading on them, and so I did not want them to be destroyed if I were to walk in a puddle or something like that. So I'm just spraying evenly. I did 2 coats on these. You can do as many as you need. The other reason I love this product is because you only need to reapply every 6 months, whereas most products are 2 weeks to a month. So I only need to do this twice a year if I even need to. I probably won't on the warmer months, but it will definitely help out in the winter and the spring. So once that has been applied, I go over with a clean, brand new dry sponge, very important so you're not getting a bunch of food gunk on your fresh shoes. And I'm just laying the product out evenly, nothing special here. And then repeat with the other shoe. Don't neglect the bottom of the shoe or the laces. Make sure to leave them out overnight to dry. So then I slipped on my new shoes, grabbed a bottle of water and my best girl, and put it to the test. So as you can see, instead of absorbing into the shoe, the water falls right off and forms little beadlets on top of the surface. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you use this tip to waterproof your household items, and I hope it is as helpful to you as it was to me. Bye guys.